Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install AutoCAD free version. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to Autodesk website because Autodesk is the name of the company that owns AutoCAD. So in your preferred search engine, type Autodesk. Click on the first link that comes up, which should be the Autodesk website. So once you are on the Autodesk website, you should be signing into your account of Autodesk. So if you have an account here, just go ahead and sign in. But if you don't have an account, you should create a new account. So if you come here and click on the sign in button here, it's going to ask you to type your email and then your password. But if you don't have an account, you should click on this link here, create account, to create one. So fill in this information and then click on this create account button and your account will be created. Don't forget to check this box to agree on the Autodesk terms and conditions. So once your account is created, you will see this screen right here, which confirms the creation of your account. You can check this box if you want to receive marketing emails from Autodesk, but usually I do not do that. So just click done. So once you click on the done button, you will see something like this. So it says that the link expired or no longer valid. Don't worry about this. Just click on this go back button and it should take you back to the home page of Autodesk. So after creating your account, now you should be able to sign in with your new account. So click on sign in. Then type your email and sign in. And now, as you can see, I am signed in because it no longer says sign in here. This is my profile. Is go to this search box here and type AutoCAD free trial and click on the search button. Then select here download AutoCAD free trial. If you are a student, you can also try the student license, but you need to have the paper to confirm that. So as you can see here, Autodesk allows you to try AutoCAD for 30 days. So click on the free download free trial button here to download it. So here you will be asked to say how you will be using this free trial. Is it for business? Is it for home use? Is it for education? Is it for file viewing? I'm gonna say home use. So select the option you want and then click next. Then it's going to ask you which item do you want to access first. Is it AutoCAD? Is it AutoCAD for Mac? Is it AutoCAD for architecture? And so on and so forth. I'm going to say just AutoCAD. No more specifics. Then you will be asked here to type in your phone number for verification for security reasons. So type in your password and choose the method of verification. So it can be text, it can be a phone call. I prefer text. So when you get the code on your phone, just type it here. For me it's 371970 and then click on verify to verify your phone number. Now it's saying tell us about you. So why do you want to try AutoCAD? For example, I'm going to say I want to try this product for the first time. Industry or field. You can choose your field. I'm going to say advertising, publishing, and graphic design. Then role in the field. I'm going to say IT manager, for example. And then job level field. I'm gonna say director, for example. Then next, you can add more personal information about yourself, then click next. And these fields are required: the state, province, and the zip postal code. When you see this page that says your trial has started, click on this link where it says your products are also available in your account. Click on this link. Here you should be able to see all the Autodesk products that you can try. What we are interested in here is, of course, the AutoCAD product. So you can choose the year of the product, 2024, 2023, 22, or 21, which consists of the version of the product that you will download. You can choose the platform. For us here, we only have Windows 64 bits architecture, and the language of the product. I'm going to choose English, of course, and then click on install or download as you like. I'm going to say download, and a file is going to be downloaded that will create the installer for me. Once this file is downloaded, open it, and it's going to start creating your installer. It's going to take some time, of course, depending on your internet speed. So I'm going to pause the video and resume when the installer is created. You can also choose the install option and click on this install button, and then say accept, and it's going to download a file that will install AutoCAD directly on your machine. So as you can see, the file is being downloaded. It's called Autodesk AutoCAD, and it has 11 megabytes. So we have these two methods, and you can choose whatever method you like. So both of these methods work, either install or download. Using the first method of downloading the installer, my installer has been created successfully, as you can see here. So all I need to do is run the installer, and it's preparing for installation. So once that finishes, you will see this window with the Autodesk logo and preparation to install. It's asking us to agree to the terms and conditions of Autodesk. So I'm not gonna read that. So we'll just say next. Now just click on the install button, and the installation of AutoCAD 2024 is going to start. The default location of this installation is going to be C program files and then Autodesk. You can change it if you want. Just click here and change the location, but I'm going to leave it to default and say install. And with this, the installation of AutoCAD 2024 has just started. Of course, it's going to take some time to perform the installation, so I'm going to pause the video and then resume when it is finished. So once the installation finishes, you will be asked to restart your computer to finish the installation. So just go ahead and do that and click on the restart button. So as you can see here, after restarting my computer, a shortcut has been created here for AutoCAD 2024. So I'm going to open it just to show you that it works. So let's do that. Double click on the shortcut. It's going to load all of its components that are needed for this app. And as you can see now, AutoCAD 2024 is open. Here you have three options. Either you sign in with your Autodesk ID, or enter serial number if you have one, or use a network license if you work in a company that has network licenses for AutoCAD. I'm going to try and sign in with my Autodesk ID. It's going to take me to this website where I'm going to be asked to log in to the Autodesk website. So we just do that. I'm going to say stay signed in. So as you can see, my profile is loaded. So after logging in, you will be asked to go to product, or you can click on this button that says go to product in order to go back to the product after signing in. Click here on always allow access, allow Autodesk to access links or to open links, and then click on open Autodesk Identity Manager. What's happening now is that your account or your profile is open on the AutoCAD app, and it knows that this is a trial version, so it says that you have 30 days left, and I guess you will see this message or this window every time you open Autodesk, and it suggests for you to buy Autodesk or enter a license if you have one. So you can use AutoCAD for 30 days. And now you can start using AutoCAD application on your PC. For example, you have here a floor plan sample that you can open if you want to. So this is it, guys. I showed you in this video how to download and install AutoCAD 2024 and use it for 30 days as a trial version. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.